Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own YouTube channel in a couple of minutes. I will be showing you how to create a channel on your mobile phone, and if you want to see a tutorial for a PC or laptop, leave a like on this video. So let's start. The process is the same for iOS and Android, so let's start. Open the YouTube app on your mobile phone, and if you don't have YouTube installed, you can download it from the links in the description. Now click on this little profile icon in the top right corner, and a new menu will pop up. Click on Sign In. Then Add Account. Now it will open a Google window inside the app because you need your Google account for this. YouTube is a company that is owned by Google, and the app needs your Google account to create a YouTube channel. So if you already have a Google account, sign into your account, and if you don't, you need to create a new one. So let's create a new account. Click on Create Account, and now click on For Myself. Now we need to enter some basic information like our name and surname, and our birth date. When you finish that, it will ask you to choose a username. So choose one that is easy to remember and the one that is available. Click on Next and choose a password. Then you will need to enter your phone number for the verification. And they will text you a confirmation code. And you can choose to add your phone number to your account, or you can skip this step if you don't want to do that. And you can review your information. And the last step is to agree to the terms and services. And now we have our Google account ready. We are automatically signed in the YouTube app. Now let's create the channel. Click on the profile photo in the top right corner, click on your channel. And you can add a profile photo for your channel or change your YouTube name here. And just click on Create Channel. Now we've successfully created a YouTube channel. You can start posting videos on your channel, or comment other people's videos and so on. If this video was helpful, you can leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more content like